Lalaban po kami. Kilala niyo naman kami. Rain or shine, mga bata ni Coach Yeng. Lalaban po kami. Career high nga po, kaso wala pa rin kami panalo, so baliwala din. Pero siguro good first game for our new reinforcements, and sana on Saturday makabawi kami and finally get our first win. Well, yung unang stats po, stats proven yung rebounding namin, which against San Miguel, medyo natay naman pala namin. So 51-51 kami sa reboundings this game. So siguro konting tweaks na lang, and hopefully may magka-run pa kami for this conference kasi hindi pa naman kami out po, di ba? Hindi pa naman po out. So lalaban po kami. Kilala niyo naman kami. Rain or shine, mga bata ni Coach Yeng. Lalaban po kami.
Pero Mamo, gano'n lang ka-frustrating yun surely sa part nyo na yung losses nyo po kayo, katulad kagabi 5 points. The last time out, gano'n din ka-konti. Parang sobrang close lang yung losses. Gano'n lang ka-frustrating?
Yun nga po eh. Well, lahat medyo heartbreaking loss. Pero at least napuprove namin na we can play with the big teams. We can really compete with them. So siguro konting tweaks na lang talaga, and kung hindi man magkaroon this conference, at least we're getting better for the next conference, which is all Filipino. So yeah. Thank you po.